Hello. Welcome back to Learn Urdu with Sara. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Sara and I've been teaching Urdu online for the past 7 to 8 years. So today what we're going to do is we're going to select a lot of famous Bollywood movies, mainstream movies, and we're going to translate the titles in Urdu. This is a great and fun way of learning vocabulary, improving your pronunciation, and speaking skills. And I love talking about movies, and if you love Bollywood movies and like to talk about them, then I think this video will be really useful. The movie titles that I have selected today are popular movie titles. It doesn't necessarily mean that I have watched them. I took a list of IMDb and some other website and I took the title and now we're gonna translate them. So I made a list here. This is my list and I'm going to discuss one by one. So the first one is Dil Wale Dulhania Le Jayenge. This is a movie that's so popular in Pakistan and India. Dil Wale Dulhania Le Jayenge. That's the name of the title. Now, believe it or not, I have not seen this movie, but it's so famous, so I should watch it. So, Dil Wale is brave-hearted, like someone who has passion, heart, a big one, a big heart, Dil Wale. Dulhania is a bride, Dulhania. Le Jayenge is the future tense. The verb is le jana. Le jana is the verb, which is to carry or take something away. Here it means to take something away. Dil wale dulhania le jayenge means the brave-hearted will take the bride away. So, Dil wale dulhania le jayenge. Have you seen this movie? The short form is DDLJ. It's a very popular one. All of my friends get shocked when I tell them that I haven't seen this movie, but I'll definitely watch it in the near future. The next one is Kabhi Khushi, Kabhi Gham. Kabhi Khushi, Kabhi Gham. Kabhi means sometimes. Kabhi Khushi, Khushi is happiness. Kabhi Khushi, Kabhi Gham. Gham is sadness. Kabhi Khushi, Kabhi Gham means sometimes happiness, sometimes sadness. Kabhi Khushi, Kabhi Gham. It's a very famous movie. I think I watched it many years ago. The next one is Parinde. Parinde. That is birds. Parinde. It's a very famous movie, and according to IMDb, it's a good one and it has a very high rating. I haven't watched it, but this is all in my list. I'm definitely gonna watch it someday in the future. The next one that's coming up is Lagan. This is one of my favorite movie and one of the first ones that I've watched. I've watched it recently again, and it's one of the best epic period movies of India. So historically, it is the land tax or the revenue that has been given by the peasants to the zamindars or the colonial administration. So this is called Lagan. Lagan. This movie is something I'll definitely recommend because it has such great songs and very nice storyline. The next one is Sholay. Sholay. Sholay means amber or burning coal. Sholay. It's a plural. Sholay. I used to live in Riyadh when I was young, and this is the name of one of the supermarket. I don't know if they still have this one, but I remember it's called Shola Market, Shola Superstore. If you're from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, let me know if there's a supermarket in Riyadh named Shola, because it's very nostalgic to think about it. The next one is my favorite movie of all times. It's a very sad movie. I mean, it's not sad, but it makes me cry every time. It's called Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par. Tare Zameen Par. Tare is stars. Zameen is earth. It also means floor. Tare Zameen Par. Par means on. So the stars on earth. It refers to children, especially children with disabilities. I have an autistic brother, and whenever I watch this movie, it makes me cry so much. Even thinking about it is making me teary. The next one is Jab We Met. Jab We Met. Jab is when, and the rest of it is in English. Jab We Met. When we met. Basically, that's what it means. When we met. the main character, the protagonist, the girl, has a very interesting personality. Let me know if you like this movie. Yeah, I think she does a lot of questionable things, but I have seen this movie a few years ago. The next one is Dil Se. Dil Se means from the heart. Dil is heart. Dil Se means from the heart. Dil Se. Dil Se karna. Dil Se karna has to do with something with full heart, with emotions and feeling. Dil Se. So Dil Se is a very, very famous movie. I started watching it a few months ago, but I couldn't go on. But I think I should give it another try maybe. The next one is Koshish in 1972. Like, do you like those movies from 1970s? Do you like movies that are shot in 1972, 1980s, stuff like that? For me, I really like watching movies, but my whole life I have watched English movies because I wanted to learn English. So I watched a lot of movies that are shot in 1950s, 1960s, 80s. One of my favorite movies, The Great Escape. It's shot in I think 1950s or something. It's one of the greatest movies. I think watching movie teaches you so much. The next movie is Dangal. Dangal. This is a very, very good movie. Dangal means wrestling competitions or arenas where the wrestling matches take place. So Dangal is a very good movie. Actually, most of the movies with Amir Khan are really good, but obviously I've seen the mainstream ones. The next movie is Panga. It is released in 2020, and what it means is to fight, quarrel. Panga lena is to like jump in a conflict or something. Very common Urdu verb, Panga lena. But this movie means quarrel or fight. Another one that is Insaf ka tarazu. That means the scale of justice. Insaf is justice, tarazu is a scale. So Insaf ka tarazu means the scale of justice. Insaf ka tarazu. It's also a very famous one, but it is, I think, shot in 1980. I haven't seen it, but if you've seen it, let me know how is it. And if you have some personal favorite, let me know in the comment section, because I really want to watch some famous Indian movies right now. I'm watching a lot of South Indian movies. The next one is Kahani, which is the story. Kahani. Kal Ho Na Ho. It's a very famous one. I think I watched it when I was a teenager. Kal Ho Na Ho. That means maybe tomorrow will be or will not be. So you never know about tomorrow. Like, you never know about the future. Kal means tomorrow. Kal also means yesterday, but here it refers to tomorrow. Kal Ho Na Ho. Maybe it will be. Ho means be. Like, it's the verb hona, which is to be. So Kal Ho Na Ho. Tomorrow will be or maybe will not be. Here it's using a subjunctive mood, so it's like unpredictable. It's uncertain. Subjunctive mood represent uncertainty. I've made all these grammar videos and I'll link them in the description box if you're someone who likes grammar. The next one is Chupke Chupke. Chupke Chupke is a movie. I haven't seen this movie actually, but Chupke Chupke refers to something that's done in a secretive manner or in a hidden manner, or something that's secretive basically. Badla is a movie that it means revenge. Badla. Badla. Dear Zindagi. Zindagi means life, like dear life. Zindagi. Zindagi is a very common word in Urdu. Dear Zindagi. Dear life. Talwar means a sword. It was released in 2013. I haven't seen it, but it's a famous one. Talwar. Raz is a secret. Udan is a flight. This is an inspirational movie where Rohan is trying to fly away from his toxic, very oppressive household. So that's why the name Udan. Udan. Udan means fly away or flight. Udan means flight or soaring. That's what it means. It's a very beautiful word. Zindagi na milegi dobara. It's a mouthful, isn't it? So Zindagi is, as you know, is life. Na milegi, cannot get. Like, you cannot get life. Milna is to get something. Zindagi na milegi. Na is just the short form of no. Nahi. So the life won't be available to you. Dobara is again. You won't get life again. There will not be another life. Dobara is again. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. Dil chahta hai means the heart wants. Heart wants is a very famous phrase in Urdu. Dil chah raha hai कि मैं बाहर जाऊं. My heart is wanting that I go outside. Dil chahta hai means the heart wants. The heart wants. Dil chahta hai. The one that I watched recently is Hichki. Hichki is hiccup. Hichki. And the last one is Barfi. Barfi is an Indian Pakistani sweet, and it's like dense, milky sweet that is very famous, and it's made with a lot of nuts like badam, pista, etc. And this is a picture of Barfi. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a like because that will really motivate me. If you want a PDF file, you can become a patron. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.